Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about warm and cool colors and how we use them to show shadows and light. So we're just going to take some shapes, just some squares, and we're going to see how using warm and cool colors changes our perception of these objects. So first I'm going to choose this one. And so warm colors, well, in general, warm colors are considered to be sort of yellows, reds, maybe into yellowish green, maybe into some lighter purples. And the cool colors are considered to be blue. And as you get farther from blue, it becomes warmer. As you get farther from yellow, it becomes cooler, and vice versa. So if we choose a gradient and we change one side of the gradient, let's choose a blue just to show blue. Something like this. And then on the other side of the gradient, we're going to put this same blue, more or less. So we have a flat color right now. Now if we take this and without changing the actual hue, we just change we just make it lighter, which is what a lot of people do. What happens is you get something like this, right? And this sort of looks okay, right? We have one side that's darker. If you're imagining this as, say, looking at a cylindrical object from the side, we have one side that's like darker and in shadow and one side that's lighter, and it sort of can be perceived as light. But if we do the same thing over here, and we go to edit gradient, and instead of this shade of blue, we make the blue a little warmer, then suddenly you can see how much more sort of dimensional this looks, and how much more it looks like light is hitting the object. And again, by warmer, I just mean that we're getting farther away from blue in the color wheel. So I moved from over here just to over here. And we can show you the same thing using, say, red, right? So if we make a linear gradient and make one side a very dark red, that should be this side. And then the other side, just make like this. Then again, we get this gradation in the value or saturation of the red, but we don't get this sort of effect of light coming at an object from this side. So if we go over here, and we choose this same gradient, but this time we move this more towards orange, can even make it a little darker. And now this just sort of pops a lot more, right? We've got a gradation of actual colors, and it looks like we could imagine light hitting an object from over here. And we can even go in here and make this red cooler if we wanted. So move it more towards purple. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more things like this. Catch you later.